Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate all the options that I purchased in this first week of ownership of this 2025 Honda Ridgeline Sport. Hope you enjoy. Number one is a screen protector for the audio system screen. Number two is a cover for the center console. It just slips on, fits nicely, has a pouch to put some stuff in it also. Also for the center console, we have a tray that just comes in and out, and a divider organizer inside. Another small item is a 1-foot cable to charge the phone, even though we still have a wireless charger here. If we need to do two on a trip, we have the option. Nice steering wheel cover, which is very much needed with our Arizona heat here in the desert. Here's an accessory for the glove box, dividers, so that you can organize the glove box a little bit better. Note, these seat covers are actually from our previous vehicle, a 2018 Honda Pilot. They fit just perfectly for the two front seats. This is another item that we took from our Honda Pilot. It just extends the mirror and helps with blind spots. I have a utility trailer that uses a 4-pin style for the trailer lighting. So I bought this adapter on Amazon. I did modify this part so that I could put this in. So I just cut out that foam piece that was there, drilled a hole, fits just nicely there. For those of you who don't know, you do have a space for the trailer hitch. And for me, I just put the locking trailer hitch pin right there. Note, this trunk mat was actually a dealer add-on. I would have bought it if I didn't already have it. Here is a partition that I made out of 1/4-inch plywood. Another item that I'll keep in the trunk is this luggage net for a pickup. This I think will come in handy when there's stuff like this in the back of the bed, and I can easily tie it down so nothing will get lost. Here's a cargo net for the trunk of a pickup truck. It fits perfectly in the Ridgeline. It'll be useful once I get a tonneau cover, so I'll just be able to put bags or whatever, grocery bags in here, and they won't move around all the way to the back. So I think it's a nice cheap option for the Ridgeline or any pickup. The next accessory is the all-season floor mats. These are custom fit for the Honda Ridgeline. They fit really nice. And here's the rear. As you see, it goes under the seat for your feet when the seats are down and covers the storage area under the seats very nicely. Here's the all-season mat on the passenger side. It fits just nicely also. These seem to be of very good quality and much cheaper than some of the name brands. Another accessory is this sunshade made specifically for the Ridgeline. Very nice, folds up nice, goes up, shiny side out, and black on the inside. And we've already tried it, and it works and fits very nicely inside. Another small accessory are these little armrests, just putting them on so that we'll keep this nice and new for many years to come. Have one for both the driver's side and the passenger side. Here's another accessory, is the ABS Hood Protector Bud Deflector 2. This is something I bought mostly to protect the hood from rock chips. Very easy installation. Here's another accessory, which are carbon fiber leather door sill decals to protect the door seals, as well as I think they look good. So it comes in a package of 4, 2 longer ones for the front, and 2 shorter ones for the back. Here's another accessory that you probably can't see well, but it's just the PPF protective film on the door edges. Although not an accessory per se, but I did buy this Ultimate Black Plastic Restore did find straight from the dealer. And this is brand new with 15 miles on it. The black didn't look good on the bed here, so I applied this stuff and it looks great. Probably something I may apply every time I wash the vehicle. We'll see. Don't have any experience if this is the best or not, but for sure worked well. Another dealer add-on accessory are these mud flaps for both the rear and the front. I would have purchased these if they weren't already on the vehicle. As we like to keep our vehicles for a long time, I wanted to keep the headlights looking new for hopefully the length of the vehicle life. So initially I bought some protective film from Amazon. It was cut very nicely to fit, but for some reason, especially around areas like this, I just couldn't get it to lay flat like it should. I guess they call it fingers. I tried and tried and tried, and in the end gave up on it. I just thought it would end up getting dirt and lifting up and everything and be worse. So instead, I bought some of this headlight coating, which you sort of mask all the areas all around and give it a couple of coats of spray, and it says lasts up to a year. So I guess I'll be doing this once a year, and hopefully it'll keep them nice. One of the last accessories added are these black decals for the gate of the trunk. These are just not cheap decals, they're made out of plastic, so hopefully they'll last really long, and they have some good 3M adhesive. This now concludes this video of all the accessories I purchased in the first week of ownership of our new 2025 Honda Ridgeline. I think that's probably all accessories I'll probably want for the time being, except that I do want to get a tonneau cover. Just have to do more research on that one. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.